Rusty Zenith of the 1958, just dropping off. She's a little worse for wear, but she survived all these years. 70 years plus. It's a Hi-Fidelity model. Those sweet knobs. This is the bug eye style knob. Veneer's a bit scratched. Missing the cap over the neck, but this is likely going to become a cat bed or something. At least we got it to someone who's going to take care of what's left of it. And you know what, the tubes inside are in actually pretty darn good condition, all things considered. Safe travels to you, little guy. Oh yeah, you could get the whole console setup with your record player in it and your bar. Yeah, nowadays everything's 5mm thick, but yeah, that's a proper TV, eh?
Yeah, and I went, and give away a while back when I moved in here. My long playing records, and now everybody's looking for that.
Well, for sure. Some things don't go out of style, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, there you have it.